Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be going into Runway ML. I'll be showing you guys how the platform works. It's an AI generative platform. It creates videos, images, all from text. So first we'll be going into generating an image from a picture, or rather from an image, generate a video, and then we'll now be using text to create an image. So we'll be trying out this image. It's a AI platform, free to use. It has a free tier, but you can also pay to get those advanced models. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's now get into the video. So this is the website, the Runway ML website, and it actually shows all the features, some of the stories they have, the blogs, and actually you can learn and see how the platform works. So I'm simply going to create an account with this platform. I'm gonna just use Gmail because I'm already logged in. So I want to see actually how this thing performs compared to the other generative AI platforms. So let's just go through the steps of creating an account real quick. Okay, now we are inside. Welcome to Runway. I'm just going to quickly read through these and continue to the platform. So what we'll be doing right now, we'll be doing text to video. So we'll actually have to drop our video, our image, actually image to video. This is the image that I want to turn into a video. After uploading the image there, you actually now have to give it a prompt and let it know what you actually want to do or what you want to turn this image into. So because this image is a farmer holding a smartphone with a dashboard of their farm management system there, I don't want to turn it into some little bit of motion or animation. I'm gonna quickly give it a prompt and see what it produces for us. So this image was also generated by AI. By the way, I used another platform to generate this image. So let's see what Runway ML will do with this. I'm just quickly giving it a prompt. I want it to turn it into something where the farmer is actually moving and showing us the dashboard. So let's see, these are different models that you can actually use, and you can have a 5 or 10 seconds video. I guess that's what we have on the free plan because I'm using the free plan. So it's still generating. Let's see what it gives us. So here it is. Let me just close this. It's fairly quick for the free plan. I would say it's fairly quick, and you just want to see the results if it's actually good or on standard. Okay, I think it's done now. So there's our 10 seconds video, and you can actually download this video free to use, no licensing required. Let's see the video. Okay, this is good. There's a bit of movement. We can actually see now there's the problem there, but otherwise it didn't affect the quality that much, and you can actually see it created the background. It's able to feel what's also on the background. So I would give it about a 7 out of 10. The only thing is that it created that arm that I didn't like. I'm just gonna download the video, and it's also free to also download this video. But overall, I think this is very good because the image quality hasn't changed, but it's now a video. You can actually do this for maybe if you have a website or you are doing your marketing, you actually want to improve or rather use visuals for your marketing instead of images. You can actually put in your branding or whatever image you have and turn it into a little short video that you can use for marketing. So I'm going to try with another image because this one I see it didn't actually do as well as I thought. I'm gonna just change the aspect ratio. You can do it vertical, TikTok style, or this YouTube style that we are used to. I'm just gonna go with this and see. This is the image I also created with AI. I used this image to create some logo. I didn't upload the video, but this is the image I used to create some logo. I'll share it later, I guess. So I'm also going to make this into a moving image, but you can see it's a little bit cut because the image is huge and this thing needs you to crop the image. So I want this to also have a little bit of motion and also edit the background. As you can see, the background is just white, it's just blank. So I'm gonna be editing the background as well. So let's see how Runway ML does on this one. I think this is going to be a little bit easy because it's a cartoon style image rather than a realistic image than the previous one. So let's see. Yeah, as I said, it's also quick to generate these videos. Let's now see the results. Okay, now it's done. Okay, as expected, I think this is better than the first because this is a cartoon style image rather than a realistic style image like the first one of the farmer. So I think this is perfect. You can actually use this video for your marketing. You can use this in your website. You can use this in your social media. Depends on the use case. You can actually tell it to do anything that you want it to do. So I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10 because of this one was much better compared to the previous one. So which means for the free plan or free users like me, it's advisable to use images that are quite simple, not complex, and that are not realistic or other images of humans, because as you can see, the cartoon one gave us a better result compared to the cartoon style image. So I just want to try out a few other features of this platform. I want to see there's a text to image, so I also want to do this text to image because I actually use a lot of text to image platforms that are AI. I use a lot of AI generative platforms that are using text or other prompts to create images. So let's see how Runway does. One of the platforms that I actually use is ideogram. I think I have a video on my channel on that. I also use ChatGPT, sometimes produces good images as well. So I'm going to try to create an image that I can actually use for social media or for LinkedIn for my company profile. I just want to see if it's actually good with the images as well. Let's see. Let's see how it does compared to the other ones that I've actually used in the past before. Okay, not bad, not bad. It also uses the same style as the other AIs, but what I can actually pick up or notice is that with the text, it's not as good. Just like ChatGPT, it's not good with the text. As you can see, the spelling is a bit off, but other than that, the image quality is nice. It's good. The problem is the text. I realized with a lot of image generation platforms, they struggle a bit with text, but that's not a big issue. You can just create an image without text, and that's fine. So overall, this platform, I would give it a 7 actually, 7 out of 10. That's because I'm using the free plan. I don't know how advanced the models are when you do actually have a paid plan. So if you do want to try it out, just go to runwayml.com.